Hai, Assalamualaikum everyone. Oh, before that, Selamat Hari Raya Aidil-Adha. It's not too late, right? It's not, I guess. Oh yeah, by the way, on Aidil-Adha, we consume meat. And meat is actually a source for protein. So for this video, me and my friends are going to talk about protein. But what is protein actually? Protein is a molecule made up from amino acid. These proteins are needed for body to function properly because it is the basis for body structure such as skins and hair, and also other substances such as cytokinase, enzymes, and antibodies. Oh, and you know what? Proteins are not only coming from an animal, but also from plants. As you can see on my slide, they are also from soybean, from almonds, or chickpea. These are the example sources from plants of protein.
Here are some of the functions of protein in our body. Firstly, protein is required for the growth and maintenance of tissues. Your body's protein needs are dependent upon your health and activity level. Under normal circumstances, your body breaks down the same amount of protein that is used to build and repair tissues. Other times, it breaks down more protein than it can create, thus increasing your body's needs. This typically happens in period of illness, during pregnancy, and while breastfeeding. People recovering from injury or surgery, older adults, and athletes require more protein as well. Secondly, proteins transport and stores nutrients. Transport proteins carry substances throughout your bloodstreams, which into cells, out of cells, or within cells. The substances transported by these proteins include nutrients like vitamins or minerals, blood sugar, cholesterol, and oxygen. For example, hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen from your lungs to your body tissues. Glucose transporters move glucose to your cells, while lipoproteins transport cholesterol and other fats into your blood. Proteins also have storage roles. Ferritin is a storage protein that stores iron. Another storage protein is casein, which is the principal protein in milk that helps baby's growth. Some proteins are hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid communication between your cells, tissues, and organs. They are made and secreted by endocrine tissues or glands and then transported into your blood to their target tissues or organs where they bind to proteins receptors to the cell surface. Next, protein can supply your body with energy. Protein contains 4 calories per gram, the same amount of energy that carbs provide. Fats supply the most energy at 9 calories per gram. However, the last thing your body wants to use for energy is protein, since the valuable nutrient is widely used throughout your body. Lastly, proteins help to form antibodies to fight infection. Antibodies are proteins in your blood that help protect your body from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. When these foreign invaders enter your cells, your body produces antibodies and protect them from elimination. Without these antibodies, bacteria and viruses will be free to multiply and overwhelm your body with diseases they cause. Once your body has produced antibodies against a particular bacteria or virus, your cells never forget how to make them. This allows the antibodies to respond quickly the next time a particular disease agent invades your body. As a result, your body develops immunity against the diseases to which it is exposed.
What is protein deficiency? Protein deficiency is when your intake is unable to meet your body requirements. The most severe form of protein deficiency is known as kwashiorkor. Protein deficiency can affect almost all aspects of body function. As a result, it is associated with many signs. What are the signs of protein deficiency? One of the most common signs you are not getting enough protein is swelling, also called as edema. It is a classic symptom of kwashiorkor, especially in your abdomen, legs, feet, hands. But many things can cause edema, so be sure to check with your doctor in case it's more serious. Next, protein deficiency could lead to hair loss and weak nails. These are made of proteins like elastin, collagen, and keratin. This happens because hair is made of keratin, which is built and maintained in the body with the help of protein. When your body cannot make them, you could have brittle, thinning hair, dry, and flaky skin, and deep ridges on your fingernails. Next, mood changes is also one of the signs of protein deficiency. Your brain uses chemicals called neurotransmitters to relay information between cells. Many of these neurotransmitters are made of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. So a lack of protein in your diet could mean your body cannot make enough of those neurotransmitters. and that will change how your brain works.
Hey, I'm Ilaman Shara and I will explain about the benefits of protein. Firstly, help improve muscle mass. Eating enough protein is necessary to build and maintain healthy muscle mass. Secondly, help manage your weight by filling you up. Protein food cause increased satiety to a greater extent than carbohydrates or fats, so they can prevent overeating and snacking. In addition, help improve your mood. Protein help neurotransmitters function and synthesize hormones like dopamine and serotonin that calm us and keep our outlook positive. Promote healthy brain function and learning. Proteins are needed to make enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters that are critical for cognitive functions. Next, help maintain strong bones. A diet high in protein can heal broken bones, prevent bone weakness, fractures, and even osteoporosis by increasing calcium absorption and helping with bone metabolism. Finally, slow aging and promote longevity. One of the key roles of protein foods is helping the bodies to synthesize glutathione, often called the master antioxidants, and help us to detox and reduce carcinogen that age us.
So what's next? Do you know that after water, protein is the most abundant substance in the body? We literally can't live without protein. Protein is one of the most basic building blocks and is not just for building lean muscle. Protein can be used to help development of bones, skins, and cartilage. Also, protein promoting in satiety and weight loss. Here are some other protein facts you may not know. So the first one is, human body contains around 100,000 different proteins made by different combination of 20 amino acids. Before that, what is amino acid? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. They are the molecules that all living things need to make protein. Approximately 18 to 20% of our body weight is due to protein. Second fact is, the World Health Organization recommends that our daily protein intake should account for 10 to 15% what we eat. This equates roughly around 53 grams of protein per day for a teenage girl and 72 grams of protein for a teenage boy. The third one is the amount of protein needed varies depending on age group, size, and growth stage. For example, even though an adult has achieved maximum growth, protein is still required for them to maintain and repair body tissue. Next, worried about hair fall? Your hair is mostly made up of protein. They are continuously in the process of growing for 2 to 3 years, after which they fall and get replaced by new hair. Protein plays a key role during the growth phase. Hence, protein deficiency may cause more hair fall. What can we do? Eat protein-rich food such as lean beef, chicken to prevent hair fall. Yet, please bear in mind that there is no immediate remedy to controlling excessive hair fall. But by continually practicing certain changes, there will be significant improvement in the long run. And finally, are you someone that always fail in losing your body weight? High protein diet help you lose weight easily. Protein-rich food make you feel fuller for a long time and hence you eat less. Besides this, the amount of energy required to digest protein is more. Hence, more calories are burned. This is the reason behind weight loss.